to my YouTube channel. I'm Anne Catherine and I make videos on painting, home decor and DIY here on YouTube. In this episode we're continuing to make over the apartment. So let's get right to it. I'm painting part of the kitchen white and I'm leaving parts of it in the existing cream. I actually like it and a lot of places don't need it. And I'm kind of running out of time anyway. So I thought I'd save myself quite a lot of time by just doing that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to paint over the worst parts, the parts that actually need painted, and the ones at the top here that are still super nice, they can stay in the cream. This thing off the wall and you can see the nicotine stains on it. So yeah, we're going to clean it and hang it back up. Much better. I've just picked up the chairs that you can see in the back. So I was actually at a local coffee shop that's just down the road from the apartment. I'd say not even a mile away. And yeah, they had these really good chairs they're getting rid of because they're remodeling the cafe. Some of them have some minor scratches in them, but they look really good. They're very sturdy. They look like super quality chairs. And I got 4 of them for €60. So I'm really happy about that. And yeah, so I'm gonna bring it into the apartment and hopefully the people that are gonna live there are gonna enjoy these chairs. I also tried them out and they're really comfy. Well, comfy for hard chairs. But yeah, the shape of it is really good. The backrest is really good, so yeah, I'm happy. Here they are. Now let's bring them inside. The chairs. I have 4 of them. And this is the sofa that we've got. So it is actually a sofa bed. And it's in this really nice velvety, black velvety fabric. And there's the TV stand. So yeah, these will need to be changed. First of all, because I cannot find bulbs to go in them. And because they are pretty ugly. So yeah, starting to come together and I'm loving it. I have decided that I don't like these shelves in grey. I think we're just going to stick with a black and white theme. So I'm painting this in black too. Just come back from picking up the table, the dining table. It's right here, if you can see. So now we're going to carry it inside and build it. So hopefully that's going to work. Ooh. It's actually a really nice table. I'm super excited. They said it's the 3rd generation it's been in that family. So I'm really thankful that we were able to get it. So this is the base frame of this table. It's actually solid wood. So I'm really impressed with the quality. It seems like it's actually oak. Because I can see that the texture on it, and as it's an old table, there's some weird little quirks in it. It's definitely not the kind of furniture you would buy nowadays, so it is a lot heavier, much sturdier, but actually very simple in the way it's constructed. So let's build this together. So here, the legs actually go in here, through this little opening, and then super easy, just these little bolts. And they were so hard to get off at first because the piece of furniture is so old. There's this, they're just fused together almost, but now they work perfectly. Really good quality hardware, I can say. Next we have these guys. So what they are is little parts that can slide in and out and make the table bigger. Super simple system. And now all we need to do is place the other panel on top. There we go. And these. There we go. These slide out like that. I love that. So yeah, this top is definitely oak. This as well. Wow, I'm super impressed. This is super nice. 15 euros. The lady was just trying to get rid of it, but find a nice home for it. And yeah, I love it. I'm so happy. This is it, all ready to go. We were at IKEA and we bought some beds and everything that we need for the apartment. This is all the stuff we bought. We got mattresses, we got a bed, we got some lamps. So yeah, we can get the finishing touches done for the apartment. Let's go home. Today is the day we're getting rid of these horrible light fixtures that are in the living dining room. So not only have I not been able to find bulbs that fit, none of them work. I went to 3 different shops. But also, well, they look horrible and I'm not 100% sure about how safe they are. So I think it's a no-brainer. They just have to go. So yeah, let's do this. Oh, and by the way, the lighting is quite poor because it is snowing. And because obviously I've had to turn off the breaker to not kill myself while I'm changing these lights. So let's go. stabbing myself on this thing. It's super sharp. Look at that. That's really sore. This thing is a health hazard. Imagine if this fell on top of somebody. It would just stab them to death. So let's put the real one. So I got this super basic light from IKEA with this really nice rice paper shade. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. See here, this is how it's attached. So actually, this pipe with the cables in them was poured into the concrete whenever the slab was built. In the hallway. So I was gonna keep it because I didn't think it looked that bad, but whenever I tried to put in this bulb in here, at first it didn't work, and then it started smelling like burnt plastic. So we're not gonna keep that one. I'm gonna change the whole light fixture because I don't want any problems. I don't want it to be a fire hazard. So let's get moving. This is so good. So good. And that's where we're going to leave it for today. If you haven't watched any of the previous videos, I'm going to leave the links in the description below so you can click on those and watch them too. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you like the series and want to watch more. And yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.